I'm that nasty dog and I tried to warn ya. To the tail we go. Don't need a bed cause I'm good on the floor. When a chocolate masterpiece walks by, I wanna ride.
To be honest, I am totally up for killing him right now. Do you know if he's coming tonight? Me! Obviously! Oh my god.
I guess I'll just find it myself.
That's a dream to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell and soul to be popular. When you're on top of me, when you're on top of me. When you're on top of me, when you're on top of me. Baby, fuck with me cause you know I'm popular. Baby, fuck with me.
Me? I'm 1,000 years old, you can't kill me!
Just listen.
He gets it from his mom, $100 for his haircut, but a smile from God. And when he touches you, you'll wonder how he keeps his hands so soft. He got some money from his grandma, guess he'll never have a job. Oh, pretty boy, don't speak, don't speak, you pretty boy.
I ship 1 and 2, that's all it takes.